Good morning, children. Today, let us learn about the next topic is food component in this food components only. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we are discussing in the chapter understanding the food components necessary for our body. Okay. So here mainly you are discussing the food components in your that is necessary for our body. You are important to your body. And next thing is you are identified the production, that is a productive food for our body. Okay, so here identify to the your that is a productive food for our body. And next thing is that is a discussing roughage and that is a one more name is a dietary fibers. Okay, so that is a mainly this is a your the roughage is important to your body only discussing in this chapter. And next thing is explain the sources of the roughages. So here where is observed in the source, that is a source where is observed in your food. Okay, so that is the next one is that is the importance of the water in your body. So here you are discussing the important in your body, that is the water important in your body only. And the next thing is explain about the balanced diet and junk food, that is avoid the junk food only. So in this chapter you are let us learning about this all are topics only. Okay, so already in a previous that is a lower section already discussing in some our food components only. Yes sir, no. So you are prepared to the some foods and you are identified to the proteins and that in that food. Yes sir, no. So and next thing is your balanced to the that is you are identified to the proteins in your that is in your food only. Yes sir, no. In a previous chapters, that is in lower section of the classes only. Yes or no? But in this chapter you are identified to the that is a productive food for our body. So that means you are some activities you are doing to some activities in this chapter. Okay, and next thing is the roughages, and one more name is that is a dietary fiber. So fibers means that is your remove to the wastage in your body. Yes or no? That is main rule in your body. And next thing is explain the sources of the roughages. Sources means where is observed in the food. Okay, that is the roughage is where is observed in the food only. Next, importance of the water in your body. So that is the here discussing the main point is that is the water. Okay, so water is the main, that is most of the important in your daily life. Yes or no? And one more thing is explain the balanced diet. So here that is old age people are mainly using this one. And your fitness. So your body fitness based only depending on the balanced diet only. Yes or no? And one more thing is avoid the junk foods because your loss of the proteins and vitamins and minerals also. That's why you are avoid the junk foods only. Okay. So now in this chapter you are discussing the first 2 points. Okay. Let us learn about the next topic. In this chapter you are discussing the first 2 points. So here that is a food components contained in a that is a food contains some components. Yes or no? So like carbohydrates, proteins, that is a fats, vitamins and minerals. Yes or no? That is a food contains some that is some components only. Yes or no? So that's like that is proteins, vitamins and minerals and carbohydrates only. Okay, so what is the meaning of carbohydrates? So that is carbohydrates means that is given to the present of the food that required the mainly for energy. Okay, so mainly required the energy only, carbohydrates. Okay, and the next thing is here proteins. So what is the meaning of proteins? That proteins is required to the growing your body growing condition, and that is your body muscles, that is a body buildings, and repair the damaged your your body, that is the tissues in your body only. Yes or no ma? That is the main role is the repair to the your body conditions. Okay, or anything only, cells or any parts or anything only, you are repair to the main role in proteins only. And the next thing is fats. So fats also your main role, that is the help of the your energy product only. Yes or no ma? That is the energy production only. And the next thing is vitamins. So that is you are observing in so many vitamins in higher classes. Okay, now here just you are discussing the vitamins, vitamins only. Okay, so vitamins also one of the you are given to the energies only. Yes or no ma? That is you are observing in so many vitamins or sources are in your daily life. Yes or no? That is a carrot. That is you are observing in which vitamin is A vitamin, and so many vitamins. So that is A vitamin, C vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin, K, and B12 and B6. So B2. So many vitamins are present in your surrounding. That is you are taking the food contains. Okay, so present in a food contains only. Okay, so now here given to the now discussing the main topic is that is the understanding, that is the essential of food components only. That is the components of the food. So here food contains some components like that is the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so minerals also here given to the energies only, Nana. Okay, so main role in your body. Okay, so each and every component has its own function in the growth production of our body. Okay, each and every components. So each and every components you are given to the own functioning of your growing condition of our body. Yes or no ma? So that is a main role. That is everyone, each and everyone is a function. That is a main role is a working to your body. Yes or no ma? So that is carbohydrates is given to the energy, and fats also here help of the energy given to your body. Yes or no ma? That is a proteins. So proteins also here given to the, that is a growing condition, and your body muscles, and that is improve the your body muscles, and your tissues, that is damage to your body tissues also your SRM you repair to the that is body conditions also. SRM. So here the packed food items also contain essential components. SRM. Some packed foods also you are considered, Nana. Okay, so that's components also, some components are present only, but that you are not aware, that is because you are aware to the food components, that outside food components only, food packets. Once again, that is you are aware the outside food, Nana. Okay, you are aware the outside food means your loss of the energy, your loss of the proteins, your loss of the vitamins, minerals. Yes sir, that's why only you are aware the outside food. But here taking some food items, your that is the packing of the food items, some present in carbohydrates also. Yes sir, carbohydrates and proteins, vitamins and minerals also. Some kinds of the foods only. Yes sir, no, not all food items. Okay, some foods only. Okay, but you are taking the little bit, that is some amount of the outside food only. You are taking the some amount of the outside food. Okay, main you are using a inside, that is how your own prepare the at home only. Okay, that type of the food only you are eating, because you are healthy, healthy to your body condition. Yes sir, no, that's why you are aware to the outside food. Okay, and one more thing is for example, that is observing the given food packets in which the food components are listed. Just you are taking the one food food packet outside the food packet, just you are identify to the proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, that's all are you are writing the list. Okay, in order to test components present in the food substances is now here discussing next topic is what identify to the protective food, that is a protective food. So that's why here let us and some activities you are doing to in this chapter. Okay, first one is activity 1 is the test for starch. Okay, so first one is okay. So first one is the activity. First one is test for starch. So you are identified to the product in our body. Okay. So that is just you are identified to the product. So many products are you are observing. So that is statue means that is the white content and only. That is the white carbohydrates is present. That is the components are present in the food. For example, that is the rich component is considered the rice and potato. Okay, just here cut the potato. What you are observe? You are observing then white color layer is observed. That is some water content is present on. Yes or no? White color. Okay, that is the considered the starch. And after boiling that is the rice cooking of rice. So that is you are coming to some white color. That is a white color liquids one. Yes or no? That one is considered the starch. Starch means ganji. Okay, that is the type of the ganji. Okay. Here taking the 3 pieces. Okay, that is the potato and cheese and bread. Okay, just here identify to the starch in the food. Okay, now I am taking the 3 food items. First one is the potato, and the next one is the cheese, and the next one is the bread. Okay, so here first one what run? You are identified to the starch in the food. Okay, I am taking the 3 items food. Okay, first one is the potato. And the next one is first one is the potato, and the second one is the cheese, and the third one is bread. Okay, so here you are identified to the starch in the food only. Yes sir, Rama. So you are identified to the starch in the food. So we are considered you are taking one small solution, that is the iodine solution only. Okay, so just you are adding the iodine solution. Okay, the recorded that is taking the iodine solution and added the that is pieces pieces on the this food items. Okay, just you are adding to the okay, that is here adding the iodine solution only. Okay, so here you are added to the potato. So what you are observe? Just you are observing the color change in. Okay, that is you are turned to the red color form. Okay, that is the first dish you are considered the which dish that is the potato. So potato is considered that is your changes to the red color to blue black color. Okay, so just you are added the iodine to the potato. So what is observed? That is the red color is changes to the blue black. That is blue black color only it is formed. So blue black color formed means that is here present in the starch. Okay, so this dish is present in the starch. And the next thing is cheese. Same none. So cheese also you are that is adding to the iodine solution into the cheese. So here also you are observing what you are observing. You are not observing the any change. Okay, so you are not observing the color change. Okay, so here not present to the starch. Okay, so starch present means here adding the iodine, so it is formed to the that is red color is formed to the blue black color only. So that time you are observing that which one is present in that food, that is the starch are present in the food only. Okay, and next second that is the third one is bread. Okay, you are adding to the iodine solution to the bread. So here also you are observing the color change. Okay, so in this dish also you are observing in a color change. Okay, so what is observed? That is the red color changes to the blue black color is the formed. Okay, so that's why here also you are present to the starch. So where is the present, Nana? That is the first and the third one are present in a starch. Okay. Okay, first and the third one are present in the starch only. Okay, and second one is not observing the any color change. Just you are observing the just shade to the yellow color. Okay, so that is the not presenting the starch. Or mainly you are present, you are observing in a starch which food, Nana, that is a potato and a bread. So starch means you are observing in a main, that is a white food substance only. Okay, starch means white, that is a white food substances. White food substances, that is a main, that is a which rich component, that is a rice and potato is the rich and rich components, and mango also. Okay, so mango also present in the starch. Okay, so next your from that is your experiment is your consider the next activity is a test for fat. Okay, so you are identified to the next activities is consider the second one, that is the first one what, Nana? First one test for starch, that is you are identified to the, that is here formed to the red to changes to ready to form the blue black color is the form. Okay, so here also you are observing the starch. Okay, so iodine, you are adding the iodine solution to the components. Here what you are observing, that is you are observing the red color, it changes to the blue black color is formed. That's why here that food components is are present in a, that is a starch. Okay, and one more thing, one more example is considered, that is the bread. Bread also present in the starch. Okay, because here adding the solution, you what you are observe, you are observing the red color is changes to the blue black color. That's why your starch is the present only. But cheese, in the cheese you are not observing any color changes. That's why we are not presenting the starch. Okay, so mainly rich components in the where is observed, that is the rice and mango and potato also here considered, that is the starch or present only. Okay, next activity, Nana. So test for fat. Okay, here consider the next one is the test for starch, Nana. So next activity is consider the test for fat. So here you will taking paper and oil drop. Okay, just oil and paper. Okay, so just you are taking the oil and paper, white color paper. Okay, you are taking the white color paper and just you drop the one drop of the oil on the paper only. So what you are observe on the paper? Okay, you are observing the transparent of the paper is formed. Yes or no? So automatically you are identified to the, for suppose that oil paper you keep on the book, so you are identified to the letters, that is you are identified to the letters or pictures or anything only. Yes or no? Because that is you are observing the transparent of the paper is formed. Yes or no? That is a translucent of the paper is finally you are observing that condition. Yes or no? So that type of the that is meaning this type of the stain is turned as a translucent stain. Okay, so where is observed, that is on the paper only. Okay, so that's why that is oil is considered the present in the fat. Okay, that food component is present in the fat only. Yes or no? You are understood, Nana? That fat is present in the oil. So, for example, your ghee, yes or no? Vegetable oils and next, that is so many are you are observing in a fat condition only. Yes or no, ma? You are understood, Nana? If there is no permanent translucent stain on the paper, then the food items is consist of the fat. Permanent, Nana. Okay, that is the permanent translucent stain only. So that is a permanent translucent stain is present means that is a present on the fat in the food items. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So in the test for starch means you are considering that is you are adding the iodine solution. So what is the form? That is a red color is changes to the blue black color is the formed. So that's why that food item is present in the that is present the starch only. Okay, so that food items are present in the starch. And next for fat. Okay, here taking the food items. So here food items means here consider the oil and one the pepper. Okay, just any food item. So you are rubbing on the you are rubbing on the paper. So you are formed the permanent translucent stain only. So that time you are consider the fat is present on the food. Okay, so present in the food only. Yes or no, Nana? You are understood, ma? Are you clear? And next thing is test for proteins, Nana. So next your activities is consider the that is a test for that is a protein. Test for proteins. So here you will take in the rich components in this food items is considered the that is a fish and gram. That is a gram. Okay. Fish and gram is considered the protein is the rich component only. Okay, so here taking your food that is some solutions are you are prepared to the in this activity. Okay, so you are discussing to the next class only. Okay, thank you. So here mainly you are discussing the that is a test for proteins. Okay, so you are discussing to the next class. Okay, thank you.